Now we're going to be using geometric sequence formulas. So when we see problems like this, the one that's currently on the screen, we're going to make sure that we type it into Desmos correctly. And then we're going to use it just like function notation. So I'm going to type this in, 4/9, -3. Now this is going to be tricky. Make sure you include parentheses so n minus 1 stays above. You have to have n minus 1 as the exponent. If you don't use parentheses, like if I just did n minus 1, it's going to give you the wrong answer. So we are going to use parentheses to keep n minus 1 all as an exponent. What's the third term in the sequence? What we're going to do, just like in function notation, is type C parentheses 3. So the third term, it's like saying when x is 3. And we get that the answer is 4. Now this one is a bit more tricky. It's going to be super similar to if you did the arithmetic sequence, but in this case, we're just going to be multiplying or dividing by whatever number is out back. So it tells you that the first term is 5/3, and it's asking you what is the third term. This out here, -9, that tells us what we're going to be multiplying by. So the first term is 5/3 times -9. -15 is the second term, so I'm going to do times -9 once again. And we get that the third term, so this is term 1, term 2 here is -9, term 3 here, that represents the next -9, is 135. So again, just like we were looking out back to see what we were adding or subtracting each time, now we're looking to see what we're going to multiply or divide by each time, since this is a geometric sequence. So we've got one more of these. It tells us that our first term in the sequence is 15. And then every time to move to the next term in the sequence, we multiply by -3. And we need to find the fourth term. So this is the first term, it gives it to us, times -3, that's the second term, times -3 again, that's the third term, times -3 again gives us the fourth term in the sequence, so we get -405.